Alright folks, what are we doing today? We're going to do a just a little group comparison, just seeing. We're not going to go real extensive into this at 100 yards. We got the Hornady, these are all 44 mag going through the CVA Hunter. It's we're just going to see how they group. Put 2 shots down there. If they're close together, we're going to call it good. If we need to take another shot just to see, we'll take that 3rd shot. So y'all stick around and see how these do at 100 yards through the CVA Hunter. Alright, I moved on that last one. I was wiggling. We're going to do Magtech first in the middle, because again, this is sighted in for the Barnes vor-tx. I'll do that at the bottom. Alright, I'm going to tell you what, that's good enough. We're going to go ahead and do the Barnes vor-tx now. And I tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and shoot at the middle target again with the Barnes vor-tx. I'd definitely say Barnes just lost his throne. Definitely. That's, wow. I like the Barnes. I mean, they've been solid on everything. That's crazy all of a sudden. Maybe it's because the barrel was hot. That's a possibility. So we got to throw that into there. Might be because, you know, did the other 2 shots real quick. Been shooting this all day. That might be it. I don't know. But we're not going to stick around for the barrel to cool down. Damn, that's another rhyme. Alright folks, here we go on the shooting, just seeing how well they grouped. We did the Hornady, yeah, seen that, and then the Magtech was way off to the right, but they were actually tighter than this. We'll take a look. And then we got the Barnes vor-tx, which has been my bread and butter bullet. Right there, that was been my favorite pick because it's been consistent on everything else and the most accurate. But today, it just, I don't know what happened with it. Maybe it's because that barrel was hot. That might be it. But here we go, as y'all can see, without the flyer. If we go roughly middle to middle, I mean, it ain't exact. 3/4 of an inch. Not exact. 8/10 of an inch. And then we got, I mean, if you go this way, that I messed up is 1.5. But it's still 1.5 the other way. And you got over 2 that way. Yeah, I have no idea what happened here. I mean, the only thing I can think of is maybe it was just shooting several shots, barrel got warm. Maybe. I have no idea. It loosened it up. Because normally this right here would have been doing this right here. So that was actually a shock for me this time. I'm still not throwing Barnes under the bus because of just this one 3-shot group. Not going to happen. But the Magtech is definitely, that's a solid winner right here. That I knew I messed up on that one, but y'all seen the other 3 shots that was off to the side. I was seeing how they were aiming before actually doing this. I was aiming here and seeing where they were hitting, and that's the group right there within 1.5 inches at 100 yards. So that's what you can expect out of those Hornadies. So that is pretty darn good. Still good all the way around. They're all at 100 yards. That's huntable at 100 yards. So those groups just got to do some adjusted on the scope. But there you go. Hornady, Magtech, and Barnes. A little competition going on. Here you are, and thanks for watching.